Morning guys, how's it going? Jimmy Wu, CEO Infinity here at Allflight. I wanted to go over another product line we're working on. I think you guys will be excited about this.
So there's no symmetry, there's nothing that's going to flow with the look of a part. Right. So there's no reason for this. What is this?
Here's another previous
it's like,
repair.
Where's, you don't have the correct distance that it's called for.
Well, I got them all marked out now, and we actually found 4 more dead spots. So I had to go through and sand it down, put some more resin in there, sand it down. Now I'm marking it out for all the plies. And then you got your overlays and the adhesive. So they turned out really nice. Yeah, they're nice and smooth and flat.
As you can see, it has been completely painted now. Sealant is on. Teflon strip is on. If you see, we've got a brand new overhauled spindle. It's a beautiful part, isn't it? This shop does an amazing job getting these parts in and out in a timely manner with beautiful, beautiful paint jobs. And quality of work is phenomenal. We appreciate you guys listening in and tuning into everything that we have, and we look forward to providing you guys with more of our work. Thanks for coming and watching.